5 years back, if someone was looking for the property, if they have a budget constraint and they do not wish to compromise with the society and developer, and if they wish to buy tier 1 developer, options were very limited because Hebbal was moving at 8,000 rupees per square feet. Even Hannur Road or Thanisandra, you have very limited option from reputed brands. Options, what is left is a KIADB you had it. Either you have to buy KIADB where you have a Prestige, Brigade, Godrej as a brand, or you have to go all the way to Devanahalli. But today, you have an option which comes in a between of these two, which is Shettigere as a location. Shettigere give you a three-way connectivity. It give you connectivity toward the KIADB. People who are working toward KIADB and staying in Shettigere is going to be just 8 km as a distance. Now, Devanahalli Business Tech Park is shaping up. Bangalore Business Signature Tower is getting constructed in Devanahalli. And from Shettigere is just 6 to 8 km as a distance. And not only that, the third connectivity is toward Bellary to Hebbal. From Shettigere, you are just 6 to 8 km away from the major tech spaces. Just imagine from one location, you are able to travel 3 different directions, and within 8 to 10 km, you have 15 to 20 tech companies. Apart from the IT companies, you are able to cater aviation industry. Airport is just 2 km from here. Metro just 2.5 km. Aerospace industry just 2.5 to 3 km from here. And STRR, which is changing the future of the Bangalore, is a hardly 6 km from this location. Just imagine when you have STRR is completed. Just imagine when you have peripheral ring road is completed. Just imagine airport connectivity and metro connectivity and all the tech park getting constructed. All the big brands are available in Shettigere and near to the toll tax as on today. This is your opportunity because the pricing in Shettigere is the least as on today, 10,000 rupees per square feet. Trust my word, if you are missing this opportunity, 6 years down the line, the price will be nothing lesser than 18,000 rupees per square feet. To understand why we are quoting you 18,000 rupees per square feet, please watch our YouTube video, which is a 15 minutes of video. We have done entire research, ground level, and lot of insights we have shared in that video. If you want more real estate insight, do like our channel, subscribe if you need more updates on the real estate of Bangalore. Thank you.